Hello everyone, my name is Jared and this is my honest review of the Teton Mammoth Sleeping Bag. So as you can see here, I've got the bright orange color. They do have various color options out there. They also have different Fahrenheit ratings. I elected to go with the 0 degree Fahrenheit, but they have another one rated for 20 degrees. So you should have the versatility to find exactly what you're looking for. Now I've been using this for years. I absolutely love the aspect. This is the double sleeping bag. As you can see here, this is definitely room for two people. My wife and I both love to camp. We love to camp together. So the ability to share one sleeping bag, bring less equipment, be able to cuddle without anything, zippers or two separate sleeping bags between us. I just love the aspect that I'm right there next to her. It just makes me feel closer to her when we camp. Furthermore, it's just a solid, well-built sleeping bag. I've been using it for years, no issues with it. It is extremely warm. Like I said, this one in particular, I bought is rated for 0 degrees. Plus, there's a lot of aspects about this particular sleeping bag that I really enjoy. Let's start. There is a zipper that goes all the way around. So as you can see, the zipper goes all the way around the base and then all the way up the side. So sometimes when we go camping, we'll actually unzip this completely and it basically turns into a big old blanket. We'll throw just other blankets we bring, put them underneath us, put this on top, and we just have a ton of just sleeping bag on top, which is one nice feature that I like. When it's really cold and we really want to be close together, then we'll zip it up and we'll keep it enclosed and just throw additional blankets on top of us. So tons of versatility to maximize this to its full potential. Secondly, if you zip it all the way up, you also have this drawstring right here, which you can do. It pulls it close to you, basically decreasing the amount of airflow that can enter, just creating additional warmth. And you also have this additional fabric, as you can see here, that goes up for your heads. So basically an area for your heads and your pillows. Basically just giving you a little bit more cushion behind your head, but you also have a lot of fabric and sleeping mat coming up, minimizing the amount of skin that's actually exposed. Overall, a very, very durable sleeping bag. Plus, as you can see here, this is a bag that it comes with. It's a large bag. You can stuff this entire sleeping bag into here. It's very easy to do. And you can cinch this down, strap it down, and you can carry everything with these two straps. Either carry it with one hand, or what I like to do is throw it and basically wear it as a backpack. Much easier to maneuver that way. I've got zero complaints about this sleeping bag. Just keep in mind, it is a winter sleeping bag, so you definitely have to have something different for summer or you will be baking because it's so warm in there. You will be uncomfortable. But if you're out in cold weather, you like to camp or basically like to glamp, this is definitely something I would look into. It delivers fantastic results. No complaints about it. I've never been cold, and my wife and I both can comfortably fit in here. By the way, I'm 6'5", and this fits me. No problem whatsoever. So just frame of reference, this is very long, which was absolutely a requirement for me. Zero complaints there either.